Good morning guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have a special right now. It's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking these videos, and in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. And also on these videos I'm heading to my grandma the project like this because we build, but we haven't like finished putting roofing, putting the door, and I want to support my grandma by putting one door at a time, maybe for the toilet, and then maybe next time to put the next door for the bathroom. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, because you mean a lot to me, and also I'm outside here to chase my dream day by day. Without you guys, even I couldn't build this toilet here, So when I build this toilet, because in my family we have a lot of people, a lot. So we can't maybe wait to use one toilet and or one door. We have maybe visitors at home, we have maybe some friends. So I decided to build this toilet. But again, I never left my grandma behind, because they have already digged the toilet we used, and we put the what we call the septic tank aside, and also we built the toilet aside. So through you guys, one of my subscriber one day sent me money for the bags of cement we pushed that toilet. And for me as Hello Baby Official, because when I work on this toilet, there's something remaining like pipe for maybe removing the like act as a chimney, removing the waste out, and also for the washroom. So I give my uncle, and now it's time to fix a new door on my grandma toilet, because I've been talking this for the several times when I was building my mama house. And also down here we have one of my neighbor in my primary school. He was my class teacher, at the same time he was my English teacher. So that's his new home over there. I don't know guys whether we can see, covered by black iron sheets. And also, if you are watching my latest videos, I use a thumbnail because I'm trying to admire. One day I'll fix my mom's iron sheet, doing maybe done with roofing iron sheet to look like that. So sometime it's my mind blew out, like, man, I'm trying every corner, at least something to be happen, So let's see guys, let's see. So even me, I want my grandma toilet to be look like this, the same, but I'm trying to work slow because I'm not well financially. I'm try whether I can make it. When maybe it's tough, I left, because I'm here, I'm there, I'm that way. So let me go and say hello to my mom, and then as we keep doing more videos, after saying hello to my mom, I'll take you around to my mama house. I think today it's on Thursday, so by Friday I'm supposed to do some work there. Friday, Saturday, I will show you when I reach at my mom's house, or a dream house, whichever the case. And by the way, trust me, I was dreaming a lot. One day I'll build my mama house, one day, because I know my mouth. Sometimes maybe as a human being, our mouth can build, our mouth can demolish, and our mouth can be blessed, So I was saying this, one day I'll build my mama house, one day I'll build. And right now, dream come to reality, guys. You have been there watching me, like, struggling each and every corner, buying material here and there. And thank you so much for each and everybody who's supporting me in financially way. I managed to bought materials, At the same time, I use my own money that I get little. I compensate. I bought material. Imagine it goes at a time when I bought material, I'm remaining 0-0. Me, I decide on my side, it's good to remain block or to remain 0-0 with no cent, and at least I do something, like buying materials, So it reach a time when I'm going to build my mama house. It's simple way, and I never stress myself. Oh, this and that. Oh, this and that. No. So it reached a time where I was maybe saving little. And by the way, I was saving money because I want to buy another new motorbike and give to my mom, stand for the saving. Like next year my brother is supposed to go in school. So I was having that money, and I called my mama. We sit down. I told my mama, I was saving this money close to 5 months or around 5 to 6 months. And I told mom, what do you think? Should I take this money? I bought another new motorbike. I look for another guy. They can drive you and give you 400 shillings Kenyan money per day. You can save at least by next year when my brother joins to school. At least you have something, to pay maybe every term. So mama, she told me, no, you can live in a house. It's good, and maybe next year God will open the door. And I said, man, it's a nice idea. So because sometimes the material will stay there for the long time, and I built the house like one boom. Even it reached a point where I didn't finish make the payment of the steel bar, but that mom, she was a nice one in our village here. At least when I get money, I pay her slow. But anyway, let me take you there and see what's going on. Good morning, my birds. And previous day I was been around at my friend's land, and I go to River YouTube. I saw these birds. It's the same birds at Yamaro's compound. Big shout to you. And maybe majority of people believe when you have these birds, it's a blessing. You're a millionaire. Me, I don't know, but I just trust and believe on my pure hard working, on my dream. If maybe it's work, let me know in the comment section in your country that you are living, whether these birds, look, it's having yellow and black feathers, and I'm trying to think about maybe by next year, as I keep pushing my mama house, I will work, on this garden here. This could be our yard. I will plant more fruit trees like strawberry, mango. We have avocado, and I plant more trees, guys, on this compound. So after cutting this, all of them down, but I can't cut trees which have some birds. Never. The rest I'll cut them down until when I plant another trees. When it grew up, these birds migrate to another trees, and then that's how we move on. So I just wake up around 7:30 a.m. It's early in the morning here. I want to say hello to my mom, and then I'll start moving day by day. After greeting my mom, I'll take you to see which you're supposed maybe to do maybe on Friday, which is tomorrow, or Saturday. I will see, or maybe next week on Monday. And then from that, I'll go and see Muita, So he was the one who made that door, because I have some nails, I have iron sheets. So maybe we're going to look in the market. It's timber and some hinges, Mom! Yes, let me say hello to my mom. when I call them, like, what, Mom? They said, hey. in a local way. Welcome, guys, to our home. This is why my mama, she was staying right now in Mabati house. Bruno, you good? Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Vipi hali?
Hali ni poa.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my people.
Good morning, my people.
Yes, I'm trying not to talk with my mama like in English way so people can understand. So when I was building this house, I was talking with my workers in a native language way. I'm a Korean, so I speak Korean. So mom, leo amesema uende na jembe, mwite haendi, anaenda mpira. Leo unilichembe kesa kasasi. Kuna jobu.
Hivi.
Tawaimbe.
Mwita tare kuja.
Mwita anaenda mpira saa hii na amekataa haendi. Yaani ukiunaitua hera. So one friend of my mom in our village here, she was calling my mom to go with her jembe because there is a new job there, you know. All right. No, Bruno, no. It's not time to play right now. Cool down. So guys, for those who are new here, I know each and every day I get a new member on my YouTube channel, and in case you subscribe to these videos, this I'm calling home. And recently time the house we're being here, the same house like this, but I'm trying to build this house step by step, and this is what I was dreaming for like 2 years, you know. Since I joined YouTube, I have that dream, I have that intention. When I get money, man, I will build my mama house. And also I know I was struggle. That's the reason why I build house. There is a day when I was shooting videos, I don't know which videos, guys. You know, I was going through on my comments. People said, one subscriber said, "Oh, hello baby, you can build your own house." You know, and he is I don't know, he's a boy or he's a young man. I don't know, he was an old man, I don't know. But he think, "Oh, hello baby, instead of building your own house, you can build your house." I'm telling you, for me from A to Z, I know our struggle, and I know we pass in a poverty way, some challenges. Like literally, we pass challenges in poverty way. And when I'm saying that, like, man, we work in people's land, get paid some little coin, and also we work from morning up to noon time. We went to the porridge, we drink, we do like overtime because we need to finish earlier, we get money, and also maybe we can move to the next maybe land. So for me, I said the house that I'm living, I'm just okay. Let me put my mom in a good condition, so at least even herself, she can feel comfortably, you know. And I know when she was going maybe to people's home, like church service, you know, the Roman Catholic, after church you're supposed to go in maybe in one of maybe the member of the church. So when maybe she was visiting, she can see people have some nice house and all that, you know. At least I'm trying, you know, to do something which is maybe good. So at least right now, my mama, without putting roofing and iron sheet, she can feel much better. Like, wow, even me, I have a permanent house. Even me, I have a modern house. You know, things like that. And I'm trying to counting, man, blessing after blessing. I'm telling you the way it is. Imagine from here, I fence, and this iron sheet we bought from that corner, going around up that corner. So because the house which we having this iron sheet, some, you know, like little just over there, after demolishing on other side. So guys, we want to move on. I don't want to take long on this part of the videos. After showing you what is going on there, one more at a time. If maybe you are new here, I think even yesterday you watched my video, so there's no need to go inside. You go and click my video, you see. So on Friday or Saturday, Friday is on tomorrow, so on Saturday, from Friday which is tomorrow, and Saturday, if I will not work on these pillars here, because you can see there's some joint here, there's some joint over there. These are pillar. We want to adjust this to another side. We put here some timbers. We create something like a box, and then we put the concrete here, and also there we put the concrete that way, and then on that corner, and after that we need to join this, you know, up to here, and also from here up to here, I think. And also, yeah, there is a door here. I don't know, guys, how these things will work, but there is a door here up to, when they are just here, there is a door, I think. So it will be here, and also here could be a door. So guys, me, I don't want to give you like two on that house, but I'll show you what's going on. And also here I'm supposed to buy one plywood, you know, for decoration, something carved here. They will go this way, and then this way, and then that way, and also here and there and there. You know, that's the reason, and the reason why we left those gaps there, and also there. So I think when I get $100, it can finish my work, because we're supposed to pay people money. And here I work. I'll, you know, extend these pillars. We have 3 of them. This one, that one, and also that one there. So we extend them. After reaching at a height of that joint, we mix the concrete, we put round, and all these pillars, we put some boxes, you know. So that's what have been remaining here. That's what have been remaining here, and I think $100 it can finish up the work, you know, because I don't want to like to have a lot of I don't want to remain with a lot of money of people, because when I didn't pay people, and now we are in a Christmas way, they will come here, oh baby, give our money, you know. So now let me show you where I'm going to work, and then we left. Shaman. Hey. Let's see. So guys, this is my grandma cow. You know, this is a blessing, guys, from God. So this is a septic here. I think I've already explained you earlier. This is a septic, and also this is a toilet here. It's covered by curtain, as you can see here, and also this one. And I'm telling you guys, the bathroom have a bigger door. It's because you can, you know, create exact door we fix here, and also from here we join some bricks. So we have done plastering inside. We put cement on the floor, you can see. So the only thing remaining here is roofing. But first, today I'm going to work. By fixing door here. Today, guys. Today. You can see. So this is a toilet, and I realized some kids, they are coming here, playing here through some small stones, touching that septic sink, which is not good. And you know, when I was building, I feel so bad, because you know, a young kid, they can touch that septic sink and you know, put their mouth, fingers on the mouth. You know, sometimes they can, he or she, they can forget. So that's the reason why I want to fix that door here, and to be locked. When maybe somebody want to access it, they can open and enter. Also, we done plastering. We do a rough way. Sometime maybe later, when they will get tiles, they will fix here. You know. Yeah, even me, I want my grandma to be in a good condition. So let me go and check Mwita. I'll come with him here. So Guys, let's go to manpower 20. You know, look, and that's the pure hard working. I donate the money that I have to my great grandma. We built the house. At least right now you can see that's Hello Baby's great grandma. You know, I have some resources down. Oh, I see the palm. This is a watermelon, man. I'm telling you, this is crazy. You know, and has no seeds. I don't know how these things grew here. Look, all the way. This is a watermelon. And I'm telling you right now, I have a lot of, you know, resources down. This is around 7 to I think 7,000 to 6,000 at the maximum there of the bricks. No waste. One day I'll come there. So me, I'm shocked, guys. I don't think, look, here it's a public road, so it starts from you know, this is a markable demarcation of the land right there. So the entire of this road, it's our space, or it's our land where I reach, because this is a demarcation. So I think also the next neighbor will move the road, and then the road will passing there, because they don't want to rely on our side. Oh, it's, you know, the road will pass on your place. Never. It will work in two both sides, side A and B. There, maybe around 5 feet, 5 feet. You know, so that's how government should work on it. I'm telling you, from maybe there to here, and me from there to there, it's a bigger road. You know, I'm telling you right now, it's a dry season. You know, we experience a drought season. You know, and majority of us, we end up crying, guys, because if you haven't planted earlier, right now you will cry. And I told even my mama to come and look some maize corn here. That's sunflower. Oh man, I'm so surprised. Look at this. That's sunflower. That's super amazing, guys. Look. Hey. And I'm doing it all morning. It's really, really shining here. Look. Right. Oh my God. Let's go and check Muita. And I talked with him yesterday. But you know the reason why, as an African people, we agree with somebody, and then they pretend, oh, maybe he was forgetting. I don't know. Dendo, baby, hi. Blessing, big up. You know, look, I'm telling you, the more you plant early, the more you harvest early. Look, my brother's maize, very big. Hey, even you had that cock, that's blessing. Look, very big. Look, even this one here, very big. These are just mellow. Guys, I'm telling you, I went to his home. I didn't find him. So I'm trying to look him manually. And that being said is, for me, I'm so grateful. Right now, I have my own hammer. I have my own axle. I have my own hammer. I have my own handsaw. We have nails. So the only thing there is to apply skill. and then we make a door like never before. So I've been told when I got this, so you know where my power he went, you know. All right, so I want to take some small radio because it can give me a company to going other side. So guys, stay tuned and more videos are coming. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on this vlog. But I'm so grateful to be born and raised in the village. Our cow grazing right there, look, right there, down right there. So we shall meet on the next vlog, guys. Stay tuned. As finally I found Moita, but in not a good state. Why do you wake up? I came to your home and didn't find you.
You know,
stand with one leg. I want to see you are stable.
Me, I am good, stable man.
Okay, you can work. So today's work is to fix a door.
I will be stable man.
And if I tell you, Mukambi, my son is going to try.
So good.
Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
Are you hungry?
I feel well when I wake up in the morning. I feel lazy. Her baby.
Oh.
I came to your house, but I found you are sleeping.
Me, I just wake up around 6
You are
times.
not.
I'm telling you.
Guys,
I have.
up, you sit in a
Dave, I
house.
have your system.
She don't get attracted to the sound.
Whoa! So guys, I'm listening Jamaica. I don't know whether they'll give me copyright, but anyway, it is what it is. So many people tafanya kazi kadogo hapa. Shooter.
My friend.
Lolo.
We shall rock.
Yes.
We
Si that's my uncle. Twende sasa. Uone frame ni ngapi?
This a boss.
Boss.
Yeah, you have a musumeno.
Si tuna msumeno kila kitu.
In the room. So boss, you're going to show me one.
Nikupe radio.
Come on, show.
Yeah. Eh. Tuna fix leo kwanza choo. Ni choo inyana kwanza. Today we are fixing only on toilet.
So the flame of the top will go
Ni frame ngapi?
cross at to the. Let me show you.
Ni frame ngapi?
Let me show you. You know we can't put this and hii hatuwezi acha.
Nataka tutengeneze kwanza hii
Sasa
leo.
frame ya juu itapita mpaka hapo. Siku ataweka hii mrango wataweka. Lakini frame ya juu ikimbie tu mpaka hapa. Ndio itashika hizo mirango.
Kuna binding utatoboa ufunge.
Sikiliza basi. Frame ya juu inapita mpaka hapa ifungwe. Alafu ikishafungwa na binding sasa na hii pia na hii frame inakaa hapa na hapa. Inafungwa sasa hiyo ndio.
Sio ni sato.
Sasa it's 8 feet. This hata zitakuwa 8 feet alafu zitakata.
Frame ngapi unataka sasa zote?
Nataka frame 1 2 3. Hizo zinagrooviwa. Zinagrooviwa ile ya kuweka mrango. Alafu sasa kuna mbao zile za kutengeneza mrango mwenyewe.
Ngapi?
Mbao tukichukua mbao 2 8 feet. Mbao 3 plus
sumari. Sikia 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 mbao unataka mbao 6 sai.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
6 will be enough.
Then nails.
Misumari ni nayo. Don't panic. Na misumari.
Nails.
Tuna misumari. Sikia tuna misumari.
Hata hizo ambazo tunakunja, hizo ambazo zimetumika.
Hakuna, tuna misumari mipya. Inchi 3. Tuna inchi 2.
Yep.
Tuna bati. Sasa kitu tunataka hapa ni mbao.
Why don't you provide about roofing, man?
Roofing ni pore pore. Tuna fix one at a
You
time.
know when the rain comes and the some have to
So man
sit
pa.
down.
Take a man switch frame to ni pole pore. Roni wanto atora mabati.
These two batties. We can roof. We can roof, then we put
Kana
mabati in
tato.
on the toilet.
Yani mabati matatu. So guys, now we are leaving. We are heading out. Mabati hogare. Kana gara wapo here. Bire bipisi. Hai rigi mahuru andro mareso mo rango pachik. Say goodbye home. I don't know what to do. Let's go guys to the market. See some stuff. So guys, that's how the market looks like. It's Villa in the morning. I'm telling you. Modosi. Chira koraki. Chira gurufu waki.
Tuzipige flat.
Hakuna flat, basi zinapigwa hivyo. So guys, we reach in Nyabohansi. Bossy. So guys, that's how Nyabohansi looks. Actually. Anani koroboke man. Nambendo chini hii nyirigo.
Pole sana. Najitaka kama ningia numu yenyu ni kwa mali ngikubite ma.
Motoko upimbire.
Motoko upimbire. Amte amkungume mbona ni.
Sindo hii mwita.
Hiyo tadisumasho kugamba.
Kwanta mkunguna na ya mukandi.
Sasa mukandi kaya ni madaktari. Ni madaktari atakere.
Wewe
Munesi, wewe ndo mimi.
Wewe utachagua kora chini.
Tunachagua gani tiri tu.
Na hizi zimepinda, hizi zataki.
Nataka gani?
Toka nikuonyeshe. Nataka kunionyesha mbazo ni start.
Sawa, mimi nimesonga bosi.
Na nikiachanishe pinde tunaiacha.
Nimeachanisha na kutangina pia. Sijui kwa nini.
Kama hii pinda kabisa, ndio maana nimeweka display.
Sasa si unajishusha kwenda huko chini. Ndio upate nzuri.
Bosi.
Mimi bosi
Bosi kama bosi.
Sasa nataka niziachianishe. Uko na
Nemukero.
shoka. Tatika uwengu mauri kandurongere ndacho teme hanuiga. Ukoriga.
Bado kifika jioni tena ninunue 500 jamani jioni.
Kini hii sioni kama itapinda sana.
Sana kwa
Tutaifunga na binding.
Mani pinde na ruesa kuihoma.
Inapinda na tatema hanoma.
Tachagua rambe.
5 vilingani.
Ukero no rungi. Kitambo choera ntalentande.
No ronge sawa. Tikaturu hajanisha hayo.
Atorai kwa anachanisha
Ka
ka.
ndio maana yake ruhusi.
Kwanto tora rurungi.
Ora yote me rungi. Mizuma.
Someday man pass take this one.
These two.
Arone ndorno. Chagoro.
Haya toi na mtu wako mkono wako wapi?
Kwa mkono unaweza kuwa hata wewe.
Sasa utanilipa.
Kwani mtu wa mkono analipa au anafanya kazi?
Wa mtu wa mkono wako ni mabure. Hand money spade. Haya kwa tayo ambe tu inawe.
Tinga tu inawe.
Tinga tu inawe.
Tambe tu. Asa hapa tunalipa wote.
Sasa mtu wa mkono na wewe.
So guys, want to cut into small pieces. In a 6x6. We have another one here. Look. Hey, super amazing.
Kian mana tu ngani sih? Kian leta na nu betul betul.
This is 6x6, 5x6,
This 6.
Huh?
This 6.
Mine inalingana 5 by 6 ile yani.
Never. This 6. That's 6. Isn't this also?
Akini anaongea
Sasa mimi nataka 3 by 2. 3 by 6. Mke wangu asiende kando sana.
Mwenda kulala wawili.
Akuja karibu na mimi. Naona mtu yule utakiwa tawa.
fundi una rangi yenye imebaki.
Anaenda sawa, ndio kwa wanza kuturagi.
Futi 10.
Wengi futi 8. Futi 10. 8, si ni hapo. Sasa hii unahesabu mpaka.
Mbona tunataka kusumbuana?
Tusumbuane ni futi 8. Sasa basi mpaka hapa ndani pasona panga.
Nani?
Bora tuambie unachania ngapi kwa futi?
Shilingi 3.
3. So hiyo utachania shilingi ngapi?
Sasa hizi ni 30.
Sawa, si uchane sasa.
Sasa mbona unakuwa na kata 20 na nini?
30.
Hata okay mashine bro, ngo tu ni
Mwe tia kwa legasi mbona.
hata si kazi tumefanya na kama hivi na hivi.
Siju kato hata na machine. Guys, guess what? I just walked from the Buhansa Center by foot right now. No motorbike right now, going back home. And I found these things for the dog in the butcher. So I normally treat my dog by the name Bruno. So I'm walking slowly. No pressure on that. Wait. Vipi? I'm good, my brother.
My guy.
Vipi?
Yeah.
Na
unatokea Nyabu kidogo.
Tokea.
Yeah, you are
Tafutia
having
doggy
some
for my dog.
oh, these are dog meat. Oh, that's very nice.
Yes.
My big hi to your people over here.
Maybe here.
Okay.
Stand here, yes.
Hello family. This is Hello Baby's YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is Tonixa. It's
So
also Tonixa.
oh, Tonixa.
Yeah, Tonixa. So if they can check me out, I'm Tonixa.
Okay.
Yeah, so Hello Baby is also we are relatives actually.
Yes.
And as well, we live in the same vicinity, the same village.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's quite a great morning to meet you and to know that you care about your dogs this much.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes it's quite too much,
Yeah.
and I decided to spoil it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes.
When you buy some meals and you spoil your dog, is quite good.
Yeah.
You know, they are dogs. They are very important animals or pets in the village and also at home, because they give you signals and alarms whenever danger comes. So it's nice rearing dogs. I also
Yes.
have dogs.
Like for me, I can't eat food without my dog eats. Dog first, and then
you.
then me.
That's very nice
Yes.
to care about. Yesterday I was checking on someone. I think he was a friend from UK. He had a very big dog, a teddy bear. So well kept with some nice fluffy hair. So I actually admired that dog so much. So, and today I'm meeting you, buying some meat for your dog. It's very nice.
Yeah.
And also we have to also check out. There are people who are killing our dogs in the village.
Yes.
Are you aware?
Yeah, even my mama told me that. So you know, like my dog, nobody can see my dog where I tied them.
Okay. So,
So
you
they
have
only
just
maybe
hidden.
sound like
Yeah.
whoa whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You only hear their barks,
Yes.
but you can't see them.
I
And that's
just
very
hide
nice.
them.
So they can just give you some alarms, but secretly kept.
Yes.
Because once they appear, they are prone to being killed.
Yes.
You know, in the village there is someone I've come. This one has come to my terms that there are people who are jealousy.
Yeah.
And they have bad plans for you. So once they see you have something that can alarm you concerning the dangers they have planned, they come and kill it, which is not good. But otherwise, I'm very glad to see you keeping this dog.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for hosting me.
Tonix.
This is Tonixta. You can check me out in my YouTube channel. I'm called Tonixta. TONYXSTAR. Be sure to drop a like at this channel.
Repeat
and
one
subscribe.
more, slowly.
Okay. Tonixta. Tonixta is TONYXSTAR. TONYXSTAR.
Okay, Tony.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a great day. Yeah?
Aye, man.
Shalom.
Aye. So guys, I'm heading home, and I just met one of my neighbor, also close to my home, around maybe 100 meters from my home to his home. Also, CJ within there. So sometimes it's good when I spoil my dog in a good way, and probably the way have been said, there is some I don't know, maybe am I calling group? They have been killing dog right, left, center. So sometimes when you see me like tightening the dog each and every time on the chain, I know what I'm doing. And I'm telling you guys, you heard from him, it's not my word, it's beyond sword. And also my mama told me, you know what, there's people's dog are being killed in our village. I said, what? So sometimes people say, hello baby, don't do injustice to your dog, raise them walking around to the yard. I'm telling you, the moment I do that, and maybe one day I told you, oh, my dog, they were being killed, how do you feel? You know, the same people will say you are not caring about your dog. So it's better I feed my dog on the chain each and every time, rather than my dog going around the yard being poisoned or being killed, you know. So anyway, I'm moving on. I'm within at home, you know. So I'm telling you, I'm sweating a lot. Right, we shall meet home, guys. I'm almost home, and when I was coming from Nyabuhanse, there's a corner down there which direct to the river. I found one of our close friends to my family, and at the same time he was my neighbor. I said, hey, like can you give me like one of yam, this one that you see here, so I can enjoy for the breakfast. This is yam. Hey, I see the white people on that car. So guys, look, this yam. stuff right here, and it's so big. Look how big it is. Huh? I'm telling you, for the breakfast I will enjoy. So I'm trying to pass here. You know, so that's how things go after hunting foods for the dog. Actually, the bones and some small pieces of meat for the dog here. And I personally, I want to treat myself by this calling yam or arrowroot, I don't know. So guys, let's see on the next videos. So guys, right now no more curtain here. Tatigana na royo, takengera hana bena kosa. Kwa nkupa rusira royo. Hapo kate kama. Yo man. So guys, at least when I have a door, it could be more easy. And ready, che. Ipige both side. Piga both side itafunguka.
Yangu mastari chukua. Dora kurukuta. Kurukuta?
Karibu futi 7. Nacho. See guys, that's the frame. Na mwita sutache semeni hayo itakuwa inapita hapo.
Siwache hapo kuna ventilation. Hata sasa inarudi kidogo.
Yeah.
Can you push that timber?
Tapush aje na kuna nini? Kuna kiresa juu. Oh yeah. Fresh. Kosa bai. Kumi. Yasonga sana. Ekuona.
Tunataka ikuwe 9.
Sogeza kidogo. Telling them to push.
9.
To be 9 inch. Usongire pokong. Ayo. The easy work. You rotate too much. As I'm telling you, this one no more curtain here. It's 1 by 1. No. Ngapi? That's 9 inch.
Let me show you 1.
This is what we call binding.
Wire.
Binding wire. Man. Yeah, man. That's how things work here. Make sure, guys, you subscribe to my channel at this moment. You know. Guys, we are working here. Make sure for the calendar. So here I want to put the frame. Show them here. You see this hole that I'm making here? We use them to put the frame here, and also this one. You see? Okay, here we have the frame touching there, also here. And then we fix the door. Also the door has some 2 frames. Long way and then across. You know, on top, down, and below. Let's go. 20. For now, I'm done. Let nini msumeno. Bring the hands up. Wote futi 7 na vuinchi.
Baki ana niroki futi. Hata futi imenisaekea bro.
Hey, oh my god. So muita sukat. Phew. You are getting a motor.
Yeah.
This is a pure cement. I get a man. So guys, I'm just back because I escorted my brother to the game of football, and yeah, you see, we left the vent here. Even you can put a tissue from inside and place it here. I'm telling him to put your nails. So don't get him smile. Aya basi hapa hivi upige misumari hapo. Kazi safi. Na area koma tafai.
You are rasta.
Ngera mbe mwekokoto mwe.
Kokoto ne mono mu. Kana hasi hayo hakutore kokoto he. Hata masaje kono hano kokoto mu.
Yeah. Yes. You know, Manpa, you know, I'm rushing from Mabera.
So, why you rush?
I'm telling Manpower to put this.
Are you a fundi?
I'm not a fundi.
So,
Vitu vinaonekana vya macho.
don't behind me, darling. Look what I want to do. I don't have a spoon. You know, we need to have a spoon.
Mtu tukiosendea. Yukushindilia.
Magana kana kama mno.
Mtato ingere kidogo mno. Unajua yanashika.
Teno yon sto korogere ngano ra ba haru
Chapie.
ambe tra.
So guys, at least we have a yard door. And I'm telling you at this moment, no more curtain. After we finish this, maybe next time, this, and then roofing. Remain with tiles. I think around 10 boxes of tiles we can fix inside here. Both sides. One side? One side. Yeah, that's the reason why we left this place to be rough. The moment we fix tiles here,
Iko floor.
yeah, ina flow, ungeachi vute. Sasa ndio baadaye. Guys, do you love this work? Kuna kijiko mikoa ngoja ivute takujipigwa. Let's check up, guys. Nitaka kupiga misumari hapa kutoka nyuma.
Na kufanya nini?
Ishike huko. Kukuvuri yale. I'm not harassing you. I'm just asking you. I want to understand more better. No. Oh, I understand. You fix first this frame and then you put this.
Yes.
Oh.
So hii imebana kwanza. Hii yenyewe imebana.
Imebana.
Imebana alafu. Hapa. Kuambia sasa hii ungoe hizi bao na ikivuta hapa.
Tangaza basi mlango. Piga tu ihara.
Tigambi hano nkoro mrango sasa.
Garani chira chapu kidogo twende. My less than 45 minutes. Na nyori baso kiru. Atakuwa mmeweza kucheza mpira. Yeah. Pimekura hano kuya hayo. Ikiwa sorga pa. Si niliona sehemu ulikata hujanyosha.
Uraruto. No msumari. Sasa msumari pia. Hapo?
Ngoja hapo.
Sawa. Umistake hayo tole. Hajiani.
Ngoja. Ngoja. Kari ambe kono uroro wake simi hansi. Gratiri.
Yono nuko nangutiye tawakora musumwe nangutire. Nyapo hansi no ningutire musumwe.
Guys, right here this yam and also this black tea here. So I'm gonna take my breakfast because I was not around here, and I think Muit and my uncle, they were been having breakfast, so it's my time. I'm telling you guys, look. So guys, right now we are doing the formwork of the door, and after a few minutes you will see how the door will bring the new look, And also my grandma cat grazing here. I think at the same time my grandma, she was very happy for me because it's an unexpected day. Oh. Ngambe nonguzukere. Hola. I see you want to become aggressive. And then after we finish the formwork, we create a door. We call it a mabati door. And already have fixed the frame here. And then the only thing remaining here is to put here the nail. We fix here the binding to, you know, tightening this frame, not to, you know, like pushing to the corner. And here to here, you know. So that being said earlier, at this point, no more curtain. And when I finish that, I think because this is the thickness of this wall, so we start fixing the door here. I think that door will reach on this side here, and then we do adjustment of the bricks, you know, because man, look, this door is very wide. Look, very wide, you know, very wide. So we need to reduce them. This is the bathroom, and always the bathroom must be very, you know, wide and big. Hammering the nails on top. Wagwan man. So guys, you see this is the door, and I want to apply the skill. Sapo ngepiga inchi mbili.
Hizi ni inchi mbili. Kama uone.
Na ile
Hizi tatu.
yasi ni inchi tatu napiga.
Ni mbili.
Inchi mbili ni hiro.
Si ndio napiga?
Mimi naona unapiga hii.
Kwani uone hii kichwa na
The cowboy, look right there. He like, oh, let me go once again. Do again. Try never, like never before. I realize this car is very aggressive. Guys want to fix and see, you know. Tasum gahare paru makeup chibat.
Makana na kausuhi. Na karakansi kidogo tu. Kwa sababu wewe ni kadungulu.
Ukumbe hano lo sijui sumari.
Unajua umeweka hivyo kwa sababu kama inasumbua kungoa kabla hujakunja. Sasa zaka tunaona hapa nikipunguza hapa kidogo tu na karaka chini. Tunaona hapa kuna
hata karaka pembeni utasema zote tupunguze sideways.
Ni hiyo
Hali nafasi ni wewe.
hapa katikati nimeona iko sawa. Tupime tu vile iko. Hapa tenga na kona chuchiri chokore. Mtu nonko nyaya. Anyo isti kama hama badri ko hetu tunaenda hetu. Bone ganguranya ora tuna humurista.
Tape.
Akenga ambe kwanza hino maipa. Hayo na hatobu. Kumbe ana hanene bwana.
Nene halichokile bao ya bakeno enenda. Kama isaka.
Repiga inchi mbili.
Au tunakora. Tuma kiranka kanu kuigoro na kufunga.
Piga inchi mbili sasa.
Kwanza alikome.
So you can see guys, at least
Good iron.
we fixed. Yeah, you see.
Then I fixed the door now. You see? This is the door. It just come like this.
Yeah, automatically will be open that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then once close, you close like this.
Yes. It's a fantastic
So let
job.
me put
I
the
told you
iron.
are a good mason.
Yeah,
You are a
let me-
good carpenter. So fix the,
The iron?
the support, no,
Yeah,
this
let me-
one.
Yeah.
And then we come later.
I fixed the door now.
Yes. Tutaturinge. Kana ache kutora. Tebu kivi utore nyumba. Wibukia totora teme kuvivi tunaenda turu. Or you want to put the iron sheet? Time is running, and I want to see how my brother, play the game.
They started
Yes, mimi nyamba tiki time kama 30 minutes paso hai.
yeah.
Chukua tu nyundo. Hey. So guys, this is the team here that I came to watch.
Ang kotachong kuge gas yan ni. Tantam na ni goro mo ko onda ba anti gano go. Train. What we are doing? So how do you look at this door? So we are going to fix this door. Where is the hinges? The hinges is here. Let me show you my uncle. I'm going to fix this door right now. So let me have nails. Let me show you.
Kalala. Kalala nando vai sweta kalala. Mami takuma.
Itakuanga.
Samu.
I want to sell it. I want to have money. It's raining, but you must finish this program. Yo. Rain. Motor pun. Raining, but sure. Let's go. How we going to feel? Mr. Come, I show you, my friend. Can you assist me? Guys? Oh.
Guys, you see, let me wipe the camera. Oh my god. Anyway, so we are fixing this door here, and step by step. Look at that. Lol. Alafu usichukue binding ufinye upige hapo. Sasa hivi naenda hivi. Hui meru kwena kange kutagu meru. So we can work and then we look for the paint. I think when I get 400 Kenyan shillings, that's $3. I can buy the paint. We apply there. See right there, guys. We are fixing the door. Hayukuya. So we're remaining with the binding. Upige binding hapa. Ufunge. Daddy andu letire binding. Maha upige hapa ufunge hapa. Upige hapa ufunge hapa. Binding. Hatutaki kulipua vitu.
Hii kitu hewezi murai.
So unaona viru ona viru unafunga unaona. So upige tu hapa wayo ufunge. Kana tu haraka tamu. Tutaenda umweke mra. Hata cheke bana.
Bucheke.
Kange ni viko.
Wibigo ke hayo mama na chini nivi ya.
Uroro unaekaje hapa uwezi tobo?
Tulia mwana.
Na ile ambayo ya ndani kwa hapa. And then fix this.
Rochi kwa sombra kwe. Hata tutagasi wamo. Tusinyawala hii.
Sasa next tutafanya wa.
Hapo.
Sasa ule mbao uliweka wapi? Ona penye umewekea ni mbali sana na mtindo huu. Help.
I know my job.
Yes, I know you know the job.
Yeah.
You know, Kara. Jaga tora. Kaho here because of this stuff here. I don't know, maybe this stuff how we call it.
Komeo.
Hinge.
Hinges ni.
Is this one?
Yeah, it does not hinges. This is komeo. Padro. Like a padro. Where we put a padro.
And then we put the binding. Muita, afu weke hapa binding moja. I'm telling even my grandma, goko, kio koma umorangu. Sasa kwa mbuyore. Sasa ni rangi. Jipako. Telling my grandma here. Muito.
Wana na kwa numanye kaini.
Wikita na kongo kya ngore hai. Kana kero bad. Kyo kigotere hai.
Kini.
Musumari.
Wana kilalo kileho.
Kana ibona kyo otai kuhanya sinyo no boto igwa ko wina kyo.
Mutore hano.
Ringi musuma kana kongo gotere hai. So I'm telling you guys, that's my grandma. She's very happy. You know. Guys, I feel so sad. Close to a month, you know, close to a month without milking this cow because the boobs, it's very sick. Boobs? Yes, it's calling boobs. Boobs.
Then Our mother has a booms.
Yeah, it's like some girls have the boobs.
Boobs.
Yeah, that one's meant for the lady. Boobs.
In there.
Yes. Yeah, this is the boobs for the cow. Right there. So, we try to tighten them because since morning, the calf didn't suck in those boobs. And it's close to a month, man, without milking. Because this cow is too sick. Tegetambuke. Igo. Igo amohiti komagoro hands. Telling you guys, even though the reason why you see me drinking black coffee the whole 1 week, that's how I end my video. I think close to a month without milking. See the baby calf? Yeah, I think I'm only to my. You just wait. This is your technique. Imagine, look.
What get Hano? Future Han. The rain barrier sasa.
Yeah.
Then you got to correct you. Can I be young?
Or San Tukuman can go on
I'm very good to secret in there.
That's my young
Guys, me, I'm not happy. Look.
we were for San. The time barrier sasa. Kion Keren barrier.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, and I'm ending this video here. Let's meet on tomorrow's videos, guys.
Yep.
Bye bye.